If you're looking for Victorinox backpacks, here's a collection you've got to see. New and popular 2017 Top Backpacks by Victorinox. Number 1, Most Popular, by Victorinox. Watch this video, choose your favorite. Number 2, another great product by Victorinox. Number 3. For more details about these backpacks, just click this circle. Number 4. Number 5, also by Victorinox. Find these Victorinox backpacks at up to 70% off by clicking the circle. Number 6. Number 7. Click the description below to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8. Number 9. Discover more Victorinox backpacks ideas and items to explore, click the description below. Number 10.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.